The first Hall of Fame award goes to the print ad model, host, singer, life coach, and businesswoman, founder of Mishan Universe, and co-owner of SSS Auto Hub. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mishan K. Umale. Solo picture muna kay Mishan, solo muna. And then, okay na, sabay tayo sa Randy. May I invite the husband of Mishan on stage? Okay lang? Ayan o, mga milyonaryo. Picture lang. Okay, let us give the floor to Mishan for a short speech.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Jay and Sir Randy. I'm so grateful to be here, first of all. Thank you to everyone. It's so nice to see familiar faces. Also, ang gaganda pa rin. And I'm so happy also that you guys are here to support Sir Jay. Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa kanya, I'm so proud of him because aside from being a star maker, si Sir Jay, Sir Randy, ang dami talaga nila mga pinasikat ng mga celebrities na nakikita nyo na ngayon on TV and sa big screen. Aside from being that, he's also very creative and very supportive. So, you are blessed to be around him. Huwag yung sasayangin yun. And I'd also like to remind you guys, especially sa mga nag-uumpisa ngayon, to heed their advices because they've been in the industry for so long. And you'll see that there are big people who are still supporting them because they are kind people and talagang all out sila pag sumuport sa inyo. So just keep your feet planted on the ground and always ask God for guidance as well and believe in yourself. Thank you and congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, Mishan. Dito ka muna.